Good day. I'm very pleased to demonstrate the waveform display comparison between Instek GDS 1000B oscilloscope and Tektronix TBS 1000 EDU oscilloscope while using the FFT mathematical function. On your right is GDS 1000B oscilloscope, the newly developed oscilloscope by Instek. On the left, Tektronix TBS 1000 EDU oscilloscope. Now, activate FFT mathematical function for both oscilloscopes and input a square waveform signal with 1 kHz and 2 volts. First, let's take a look at GDS 1000B oscilloscope. After pressing auto set, you can clearly observe the yellow 1 kHz square waveform and the red FFT spectrum diagram. With a strong 1 mega FFT display capability and waveform update rate of 5,000 waveforms per second, GDS 1000B perfectly produces a very smooth spectrum display. For TBS 1000 EDU oscilloscope, its waveform display is rough and not delicate enough due to a lack of sufficient FFT display points. On top of that, TBS 1000 EDU is relatively very slow in waveform update rate. Now, adjust frequency scale to 5 kHz per division for GDS 1000B and TBS 1000 EDU. You can see that 1 mega point display capability, GDS 1000B not only shows the rate, the even number, and the odd number 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6 harmonics. For TBS 1000 EDU, due to its insufficient retrieving points, the overall waveform display is very rough, and that even number harmonics cannot be seen. So what are you waiting for? GDS 1000B oscilloscope is absolutely the best tool for your time domain measurement and frequency domain waveform. Thank you very much.